Okay, Virgin Islands, today we are making pick up saltfish, meaning picked up. So you gotta soak your saltfish. You're gonna buy it from like an Asian market or any place that sells like salted fish and you want it boneless. You're gonna soak it in water and for like an hour, like a lot of water, like 3 gallons of water, and pour it off and do that 3 times. Okay, so you're gonna add in a half of a bell pepper, red, green, and yellow. You're gonna add in one whole red onion, all diced. You're gonna add in a fourth of a cup of, a half a cup of just regular vegetable oil, and another half a cup of rice vinegar. You're gonna put in one whole Scotch bonnet. You're gonna put about a half a tablespoon of black pepper, and then you're gonna also put in a nice good pinch of brown sugar. You're gonna put in about 20 thyme sprigs, but you're gonna pull the leaves off, and that's how the leaves look once you pull it off. I had the camera in my hand, so I had to show it to you this way. And you're gonna go get your saltfish. Mind you, I did this 3 times, this rinsing process, and then on the third time, I let it sit in a bus tub in water, about 3 to 4 gallons of water overnight. And then once I drain it, I start picking it off. Remember, you must let it sit in the water overnight because you want to get all that salt out of this salted fish. So you're gonna pick it and just put it inside of your bowl where you have all your vegetables and stuff in, and it looks picked. I'm gonna pick that piece there apart a little bit more. Okay, and so I took some of it and put it in the food processor because it's a lot easier. And although this is boned, sometimes it still have little bones in it, so you just want to pick through it and make sure it's right. And I'm gonna add in another half cup of oil. Now, when you put it in the food processor, you just want to pulse it really, really quickly, maybe 5 or 6 pulses, because you don't want it to turn into fish mush. Okay, so then you want to taste your saltfish and then reseason it. I use a little Goya adobo to reseason mine because the way I wash mine over and over again and put it in the refrigerator, all of that water, it eventually loses all of that salt. All right, so when it's done, I go ahead and I put it in little containers to put up, and then I squeeze some fresh lemon over each container, or you could squeeze the lemon over it while it's still in the bowl. And that's it. Pick up saltfish is so easy. Eat it with crackers. Eat it with I love club crackers with it. Brenton crackers, whatever kind of crackers you like, you can eat your pick up saltfish with. Thank you guys. Bye bye.